Hello everyone, this is yet another non-high-tech review. This time it's a splash pad which you may see around your neighborhood, and this one is specifically for kids from 1 to 8 years old. It's non-slip and it's really well packed. I really like that it comes with a special bag that you can use to carry. So I'm gonna pull it out. I'm just gonna show you the contents. So it comes with instructions and also attachments that you can use, and I'm gonna pull it out and just show you what it is. So this is the splash pad itself, and I can tell that it's made of good thick material, and these are the attachments that you can use, and this is a very detailed instruction on how to set it up. Well, my kids have outgrown it, but I bought it as a gift, so I'm really happy with the build and quality. As far as I can tell from the way it looks, and the box itself also provides some tips. Yeah, I think whoever buys it won't regret it. Thank you.